Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. As you know, this year's Note lineup was recently launched, and as I said in my Galaxy Note 20 unboxing video, I'm really disappointed about this Note lineup.
Let me know what do you think of the new Note series. I'm pretty disappointed.
If you didn't see my last video about the Galaxy Note 20 unboxing, you can check it out if you click on the card here, or check out the link in the description. This year we have two Galaxy Note, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 20, and between them there are some major differences. But today I'm gonna talk about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and I'm gonna compare it to the Galaxy S20 Ultra. As you know, my daily driver phone is a Galaxy S20 Ultra, and I was very excited to see what this generation of Note lineup will bring, but after the launch I was very disappointed. Even almost every other YouTuber tells that the Note 20 Ultra is one of the best phones out there. Nobody talks about how the Note 20 Ultra is just a level down from the real Ultra phone, which is the Galaxy S20 Ultra. You will see why I say that soon, but before we move on to the video, I want to remind you to make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you will not miss any future videos. And if you like this video so far, hit that like button.
When I was thinking about the Note 20 Ultra, I thought it's gonna have everything the S20 Ultra had, but even more. Instead, the Note 20 Ultra doesn't even have what the S20 Ultra had. Let's start with the display. Both have a 6.9 Super AMOLED display, but the Note 20 Ultra has a better display because it allows a variable refresh rate for a better battery life. And again, a big but, because now you can't lock the refresh rate to 120 Hz, you can choose either from 60 or a variable one, while on the S20 Ultra you had to choose between 120 and 60 Hz depending on your choice. Even the Note 20 Ultra has the newest Gorilla Glass Victus. It's not a big deal because, as Jerry Rig Everything said, it's still glass, so it's still gonna scratch.
Corning Gorilla Glass Victus is still glass, and it scratches at a level 6 with deeper grooves at a level 7.
Now let's talk about power. We all know that the Note lineup had the real power for work, and they still advertise this year's lineup with power to work, power to play. Letting the big bore between Exynos and Snapdragon out, with the Note 20 we have just 12GB of RAM, and in some regions the Note 20 Ultra has just 8GB of RAM. So where is the power? The S20 Ultra started at 12GB of RAM, and you could choose up to 16GB of RAM if you wanted to. So here is the first point earned by the S20 Ultra in favor of the Note 20 Ultra. And the really big difference between the Note 20 Ultra and the S20 Ultra is in the camera department. The main 108MP camera and the 12MP ultrawide cameras are the same, but now the periscope camera on the Note 20 Ultra is just a 12MP camera instead of a 48MP on the S20 Ultra. Even the Note 20 Ultra has a 5x optical zoom instead of 4x on the S20 Ultra. The S20 Ultra still has 4 times more pixels, which I guess will improve the quality of the photos. And the Note 20 Ultra has support for 50x, and I'm very disappointed about this. Instead of keeping the 100x and improving it over time, they just left it behind. Anyway, you can take a sharp photo neither with 50 or 100x zoom, but the 100x was more promising. I use very often the 100x to take magnificent photos of the moon. And let's not forget the selfie camera. The Note 20 Ultra has a 10MP selfie camera, while the S20 Ultra has a 40MP camera. There's nothing to say more. Both cameras are the same, excepting the difference of megapixels. So just in one department, 3 more points for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. We all know the big failure of the Note 7, and Samsung still takes a lot of care since then with the Note series. But I think they should let their fear apart because they just downgrade their phones. The Note 20 Ultra has a 4500mAh battery with just 25W capability, while the S20 Ultra has a 5000mAh battery with the 45W capability. After all I just told you, can you still consider Note 20 Ultra the power phone? Cause I surely can't, and I'm very disappointed. But don't forget, there is still the normal Note 20, which I will cover in a future video, so make sure you are subscribed so you are not gonna miss it, because the normal Note 20 is just a joke. So that's all for today. Let me know your thoughts on the Note 20 Ultra down in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.